Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another MotorBiscuit video. My name is Braden Carlson. Right now we're in the Carroll Shelby Heritage Center at Shelby American Inc. in fabulous Las Vegas. And while there's no shortage of insane things to see here, today we're here to check out something pretty special.
Hi, my name is Vince LaViolette. I'm the Vice President of Operations. I'm also the Senior Designer for Shelby American here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So what we got here is really a fun project. So we have done a couple cars so far for the Children's Charity in Kansas City. So it's the Children's Mercy Hospital is what it is. And this is one of our latest cars that we've done. This is called Wings of Pride. So as everybody knows, Carroll Shelby was a really fan of airplanes. He was in the military. He flew in the Air Force, and so we wanted to do some cars that were kind of, you know, in the Air Force theme. So this one here is the replica of the Thunderbirds. So we kind of used their name a little loosely, but you can see the theme that we got. The neat thing about this car is it's going to be a charity car. It's a giveaway car. It's over 800 horsepower. If you look around the car, you see a few neat things. It's a Shelby Super Snake, which is very exciting, just as it is. Custom front end, all custom intakes on the front. The Shelby Super Snake hood, extra wide front fenders in the front. We run a 305 in the front and a 345 in the rear. It's got the wide body quarter panels. It has the new Speedster top on it. So these are just some of the things that are just really exciting about the car. Now when we did the car, we did a lot of things that we call them Easter eggs, little hidden things in the car. You look at the center caps of the car and it'll actually have a jet formation in there. When you look at the wheels on the car, the wheels are actually mirrored after what was on the actual jet. So it's kind of exciting to do these kind of things. Nice little American flags. We have a 75th anniversary sticker on there for the Air Force. Just some really neat little things that we do. The car has Carroll's signature across the back. It's custom Super Snake interior. It's just something that's really neat to be able to give a car like this away for somebody that would never really have an opportunity to do anything like this. You know, for $25, you can go ahead and get yourself a Super Snake. We actually gave one away just a few weeks ago, and the customer was funny. He bought the ticket holder. We called him up and told them, oh, by the way, we just want to let you know that you are the winner of the sweepstakes. You did win the car. And he's like, no. I'm going, yeah. He goes, no. He goes, let me get my wife. Hold on a minute. So we had to get his wife on the phone, and we had to actually let him know, exactly what was going on, that he actually won a car, So it's very exciting. It's very rewarding for us to be able to do these kind of things and see the happiness that we give people when you receive a car like this. And not only that, raising money for the Children's Mercy Hospital in Kansas City is just another thing that's just very exciting. To be able to help the kids anytime we can is just a really exciting thing to do. So to enter, we have a QR code. Go ahead and do that, and you could be one of the winners of this awesome car. Right now, I'd like to bring in the president of Shelby American, Mr. Gary Patterson. Come on in, Gary. We'll have him talk to you a little bit about the shop and tell you what's going on and what we got going here.
So, what a great place, right? So Shelby American, 60 years, and the guys back here are still making it happen. We have all kinds of stuff. So it's the best of times right now. You can see the old stuff, you can see the new stuff, but as Carroll would say, his favorite was always the next one. You can bet we're working on the next one right now out there in the shop. The guys have right in the middle of 400 cars that we're building right now for Hertz. We've got some new KRs that we're going to build, very limited production. They sold out in like 2 days. We've got Code Red production. They sold out in a day. We've got a lot of good things going. And and the future. Stay tuned. Carroll is all about innovation. We're looking out the windshield, not the rear view mirror. Thanks.
We want to extend a very special thank you to Shelby American for having us out here today and showing us this amazing Wings of Pride Super Snake. Click the link in the description for your chance to win this very 800 horsepower Whipple supercharged Coyote Mustang. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at MotorBiscuit Official. Follow us on Twitter at Biscuit Motor. And for anything and everything automotive you could ever imagine, visit MotorBiscuit.com. For now, my name is Braden Carlson, and I will see you in the next video.